How to get rich when you've just got £100 or dollars on you. Find out what you need to do to make this really go far. See you in a minute. Hey guys, so this was a question that one of my Instagram viewers asked me. Her name is Laureen_Nora @Laureen, and she asked me, how can you get rich with just $100? Well, I'll be very honest with you, you need to invest that well, and I'm sure it's not just $100. Well, a few things come to mind. Number one, why have you only got $100? That's the biggest question. You need to figure out, where's the money problem? It's an income issue, not I haven't got enough money. It's I haven't got the right job, I'm not using my time properly. Get yourself a job or a second job and do stuff, even whether it's online. Get, like, you know, 2-3 jobs. I know people who've got 3 jobs that make more money. I had so much money as a student, so, and I was working 2 jobs plus professional sports and doing my degree. So I don't think it's difficult, and that was easy actually, because you have lots of time as a student. So you should have no excuses about what you do with your time. If your time is not making more money, change your job, get a better one. That's number one. Number two, now you need to invest in yourself. i.e., have you spent any money on a book, on an educational course, have you spent any time, money on some sort of self-development? If you haven't, you need to spend every penny of that, because you're going to get 10 times that back at least in a month, I would say, based on value, based on like action plan, etc. So spend it, make sure that money goes far. Now, number 3, if I were you, and you're probably asking me this question because you're thinking how can I help you with Forex? Well, first of all, I would ask you to work on your mindset, because once you work on your mindset, i.e. come on a webinar, get onto a training course, spend that money on a book, self-development, whatever it takes, change that mindset, because once you've changed that mindset, I know you're going to use your time better, more wisely, and then you'll find more money, because you need to find more money. £100 in Forex is not going to get you far. If I told you straight away, go to Forex and trade Forex, you're not going to have the right mindset, and mindset always comes before money. That's the hashtag, and that's the slogan for Fortune Academy. It's the only thing that matters, mindset. So invest in your mindset first, Forex will be second, and I will be there to help you along your journey. So I hope that answered your question, Laureen. If you have any other questions, guys, please ask me that. But I really think you guys need to invest in your education. Get used to spending money on yourself through books, seminars, education, go to networking events, get into the right vibe, get the right people around you, get the right mentors. That's probably the most important thing. So spend your time wisely and you will definitely find the answers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my videos on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like this video, comment, and share it with people that you feel are going to benefit, because it's all about word of mouth. I want to help as many people as I can. Fortune Academy is the world's first lifetime education program for people on financial trading and for mindset training. We really help give you results, even in crypto trading. So if you want to get involved, click on one of the links below, join me on webinars, join me at events. You've got everything there, right there. So see you in a bit. Bye.